these fields of destruction, baptisms on fire. I witnessed your suffering as the battle raged high, and though they did hurt me so bad, in the fear and the love, you did not desert me, my brothers in arms.